Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Turkey Bags is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen tools for any home cook looking to achieve perfectly roasted, juicy, and flavorful poultry without the mess. These large, oven-safe bags are designed to trap moisture and heat, creating a self-basting environment that ensures your turkey, chicken, or other roasts cook evenly and remain incredibly tender from the inside out, all while keeping your oven remarkably clean by preventing splatters and drips. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these bags simplify the roasting process, making it easier than ever to impress your guests with a beautifully cooked centerpiece for any meal. Number 5. Reynolds Kitchen's Turkey Size Oven Bags. Introducing Reynolds Kitchen's Turkey Size Oven Bags, designed to hold turkeys up to 24 pounds. This package includes 2 generously sized bags, each measuring 19 by 23.5 inches. These bags are designed to seal in natural juices during cooking. This ensures your holiday turkeys remain incredibly moist, tender, and delicious every time. Each bag comes with oven-safe nylon flap ties. These ties are heat-safe up to 400 degrees and provide a secure closure for worry-free cooking. Beyond roasting, you can use them to line your roasting pan for easy cleanup. They are also perfect as a brine bag before cooking or for keeping other meats moist and flavorful. These cooking bags are BPA-free, ensuring safety for your family. Their simple design makes them easy to use for a variety of cooking needs. With their generous size, they easily accommodate turkeys and other large roasts weighing up to 24 pounds. Enjoy perfectly cooked, juicy meats with ease. What we like. This option is perfect for large gatherings. If you're cooking a big bird for a crowd, this bag's generous size and ability to keep it moist will be a lifesaver. It ensures your centerpiece is tender and delicious, making holiday meals stress-free. What people say. These bags are great for cooking turkey, keeping it moist and tender. Easy to use and clean up is a breeze. The bags are large enough to fit even a big turkey. Number 4. WRAPOK Large Oven Cooking Bags, 8 bags total. Discover the effortless way to create delicious, tender meals. Simply place your ingredients inside, and let it do the work for you. Say goodbye to scrubbing greasy pans and splattered oven interiors. These bags keep your oven spotless, making cleanup a breeze. Cook with confidence knowing our bags are made from BPA-free, high-quality materials. They are designed to withstand high temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for a variety of meats and poultry, including turkey, chicken, beef, and ham. You can even add your favorite vegetables for a complete meal. Each bag measures 17 by 21.5 inches, providing ample space for large roasts and multiple ingredients. This pack includes 8 bags, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy food that stays incredibly juicy and flavorful. The bags lock in natural moisture, ensuring every bite is as delicious as the last. What we like. For those who want delicious, hands-off cooking, this is your go-to. If you're looking for a simple way to get juicy, flavorful meals with minimal effort and even less cleanup, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for busy weeknights or when you want to spend less time scrubbing pans. What people say. Meat came out exceptionally tender and the flavors were incredible. A good-sized bag for many different meats and the vegetables to accompany them, or just to provide the aromatics. Easy to use and to clean up after cooking. These bags exceeded my expectations. I bought the largest size available, 17 by 21.5 inch, and bought the 5-pack of 20 bags for $10.99, so $0.55 per bag pre-tax. They're thinner than I expected but strong. They are large enough that I could easily fill each bag with 4 pounds plus of crawfish boil goodness and sauce, tie the top and mix the sauce so that it coated every piece. Number 3. Oven Cooking Bags Large Size, 20 bags. Introducing our large oven cooking bags, designed to make your roasting and baking simple and efficient. Perfect for meats, poultry, and seafood, they ensure a delicious meal every time. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free PET plastic, these bags are completely safe for direct food contact. You can confidently cook your ingredients knowing they are in secure, safe packaging. Simply place your ingredients inside, seal with the included ties, and let the magic happen. These bags lock in moisture, flavor, and nutrition, resulting in incredibly juicy and tender meals. Say goodbye to scrubbing greasy bakeware. Our bags prevent splatters, keeping your oven spotless. Once you're done, simply lift out the leftovers and dispose of the bag. Cleanup is a breeze. Specially processed to withstand high temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 205 degrees Celsius, these bags are ideal for cooking, roasting, microwaving, and reheating in your oven or toaster. Measuring 21.6 by 23.6 inches, each bag offers ample space for large cuts of meat like turkey, ham, or fish. This pack includes 20 bags, ensuring you're ready for any feast. What we like. If you love cooking large roasts and want to ensure they come out incredibly juicy, this is the one. Its substantial size and superior moisture-locking capabilities make it ideal for big cuts of meat. You'll achieve restaurant-quality tenderness and flavor with significantly less mess in your oven. What people say. These bags are great for cooking turkey. They keep the turkey moist and tender. The bags are easy to use and cleanup is a breeze. I love that these bags eliminate the need for basting. The turkey cooks evenly and comes out perfectly browned. Number 2. Home Select Turkey Size Oven Bags. Introducing Home Select Oven Bags, designed to make your cooking easier. These bags are perfect for cooking your holiday turkey to perfection. Each package contains 3 generously sized bags, specifically made to accommodate a whole turkey. Enjoy hassle-free roasting with these convenient bags. Experience excellent quality without breaking the bank. We offer great value, ensuring you get the best for your home. Choose Home Select for all your household essentials. We provide reliable products to meet your everyday needs. These oven bags come in a compact package, measuring 6.69 inches high, 0.06 inches long, and 8.74 inches wide. They are easy to store and ready when you need them. What we like. This is the budget-friendly choice for everyday cooking needs. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to roast meats and vegetables without drying them out, this pack offers excellent value. It's a practical option for families who want consistent results without overspending. What people say. Easy to use, comes with ties to hold the bag shut, and kept the turkey nice and juicy. The turkey cooked very juicy, brown, tender, nicely. These are the perfect size for cooking a 20 pounds turkey in. Number 1. Oven Bags Turkey Size, 10 counts. These large oven bags are perfect for a variety of foods, including turkey, chicken, fish, and vegetables. They are designed for roasting, cooking, microwaving, and reheating, ensuring safety with their high-temperature resistance. Cook with confidence knowing these bags are made from food-grade, BPA-free materials. You can simply enjoy your delicious meals without any worries about safety. Experience the easiest way to cook tender and succulent meals. These bags prevent food from drying out, reduce cooking time, and minimize cleanup to virtually nothing. Our generously sized bags can accommodate a large turkey along with your favorite ingredients. Each bag measures 22 by 24 inches, capable of holding up to 11 pounds of food. Enjoy food that is bursting with natural moisture and flavor. We are confident you'll love the results, and our customer service is here to help with any questions. What we like. For anyone seeking faster cooking times and incredibly succulent results, this bag is a game changer. If you like your meats and poultry to stay moist and flavorful while also cutting down on oven time, this is the perfect solution. It simplifies the cooking process and guarantees a delicious outcome with minimal cleanup. What people say. It was the moistest turkey I had ever made. Cuts the cooking time in half. Less mess. My turkey turned out great. I love that it came with the ties to seal the bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.